Welcome back. In this segment, we're going to take a look at how to post course content in the content section. This step is a little bit more intense, but it follows the same process. You're going to learn the difference between groups, folders, and visibility permissions in this segment. Let's take a look. To post information to the content section, much like you did with links and news in the previous segments, you'll click on Contents, you'll see the items in that folder, and then you have an option of adding a whole bunch of different items. If we wanted to upload the syllabus, we would click on Add Document, and we may add in the course syllabus. Again, just to review, it doesn't need a calendar date because there's nothing, we don't want to place it in the calendar, we just want it there as a reference for the students and the parents. We can import an existing file, choose file, and I believe I have one sitting around here in my documents folder. We'll borrow the one from video production for the time. Here we go, course syllabus. If I wanted to multi-post it out to multiple classes, I could. If I wanted to change the visibility so only the students could see it or only the parents, I could do that as well, but for this document we'll just leave that public to everyone. We hit save and return, and there it is, it posts out. If we go back out to the course page, you'll notice that the course syllabus is there. When we click on it, we can see that the course syllabus has been imported for this school year. We can go ahead and we can add other content, so let's just explore some of the options we have in here. We could add a link or a folder. Again, remember, folders would just be able to group like items together. So if we had a whole bunch of stuff that went with Chapter 1 and we wanted Chapter 1 resources or Chapter 1 PowerPoints, we would place that maybe in a folder that said Chapter 1 PowerPoints and then upload all of those. We can create, as part of Edline's interactive classroom features, we can do a blog, we can do a discussion board for the students, an RSS feed, a group. A group would be if we wanted to select off a group of students and we wanted them to have their own page similar to a class page that they could maneuver around. Usually we see groups, the super user creates groups such as the PTSO or the PTA. We might create a group for the yearbook club. So those are generally a group, and then what those in turn look like are class pages. So if you were a group moderator, say I teach my video production classes and I have a group called yearbook, I might have another class, what looks like class page for the group, and it's actually a group page. We can put homework hand-in assignments, interactive assignments up, survey. We can survey the students, about their opinions about the upcoming topic. I like doing these as kind of anticipatory models for the students. We could even put a quiz or even our slideshow up there if we wanted to. So you can see that the content section, I know we're covering it rather quickly, the content section is really where all of the information will go because assignments are already going to go in the assignments folder, tests are already going to go in the test folder, and then the course syllabus, and we can add other items out there. I'm going to take you out to a video production course that's already done so you can kind of see what's on there. We have AFI video, so when we click on this, the users will be taken out to a video segment that relates to the topic that we're studying in class. So we can kind of almost do an inverted school model if we wanted to, where the work can be done outside of class and then launched inside of class. It appears I don't have the plugin. So the possibilities in this section are kind of endless as to what you'd put up there, but it should contain all of the course content for the course. In addition, here you can see we have a folder called course handouts, and then when we post grades, if you're using Grade Quick Web or Easy Grade Pro, you'll notice that the course grades go directly out there. Now I'm the teacher. When the students click on semester 1 grade, they'll see their actual grade report. I'm going to go ahead and pull up, you saw in a previous video, this would be the semester grade for a student, for Nadia, who helped us out in a previous segment. She'd be able to come here and check her grades. She can also go to her private reports in my Edline. Oops, there we go. And she could click there and see all of her private reports for all different classes without having to drill down to each individual class, even though it's manageable for her over on the left-hand side. Now that you've seen how to post course content and you've learned the difference between documents, folders, and groups on your class page, you can begin using those. In the next segment, we're going to introduce how to email your students in your courses